Hello students, welcome back to our channel Deeksha Karnataka. So as you all know, COMEDK exam is on May 12, 2024. So in this video, I'll be discussing the exam details, syllabus and the preparation strategy for this exam. Okay, so let us see this in detail. So here is one about the exam pattern. So COMEDK exam will be your CBT test, that is your online mode. Okay, then the duration of the exams will be 3 hours. Okay, and the mode of the exam will be, the medium of the exam will be English. Okay, and then we have 3 sections in this: physics, chemistry and maths. So there are the exam pattern is like multiple choice questions. There will be 4 options. You have to select any one option as the correct answer. Next, you will be having total 180 questions, and then for each correct question you will be getting 1 marks. Okay, and there will be no negative marking in the exam. Okay, it is like for your KCET exam, there will be no negative marking in any question and you will be awarded 1 mark for each correct question. I hope this is clear. Now coming to this question pattern. So from physics you will be having 60 MCQs, from chemistry also you will be having 60 MCQs, and from maths also you will be having 60 MCQs, right? So all of you know about the date of the exam. The date of the exam is 12th May 2024, which is like hardly 20 days are left for this exam. And then there will be 2 slots, like exams will be in 2 sessions. In the morning session you will be having 9 AM to 12 noon, and in the afternoon session it is 2 PM to 5 PM, right? So these are the exam pattern and durations. So this is now coming to your exam syllabus. Okay, so this syllabus has been given in your COMEDK website. Okay, so you can check there also. So in the math syllabus we'll be discussing 11th class portions and 12th class portions. So in 11th class portions, unit 1 set and functions, in that you have 3 chapters: sets, relation and functions and trigonometric functions. Okay, next in unit 2 algebra you have complex numbers and quadratic equations, you have linear inequalities, you have permutation and combination, binomial theorem and sequence and series. Next in unit 3, that is coordination geometry, in that you have straight lines, conic sections, introduction to 3D geometry. Okay, next in unit 4, that is calculus, you have limits and derivatives. In unit 5, that is statistics and probability, you have statistics and probability. So these are the chapters from your first 11th standard. Then coming to 12th standard, that is first is relation and function, in that you have relations and functions chapter, inverse trigonometric functions. Now coming to in unit 2, that is algebra, you have matrices and determinants. In unit 3, that is calculus, you have continuity and differentiality, you have application of derivatives, integrals and applications of integrals and differential equations. Okay, now coming to unit 4, that is vectors and 3D geometry, you have vectors and 3D geometry. Unit 5, linear programming, the chapter is linear programming. Unit 6 is your probability. Okay, so you can see these all topics are there from your PU1 and PU2 syllabus for your mathematics COMEDK exam. Now coming to the next one. So next is our chemistry syllabus. So let us see them. So in chemistry the chapters were deleted. So in the COMEDK whatever syllabus is mentioned, the deleted portions are not there. So you can see from your first PU, you have the first chapter, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. You have the second chapter, that is structure of atom. Then third one, so these 2 are there. Then classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Next you have chemical bonding and molecular structure, thermodynamics, equilibrium. Then we have some basic principles of organic chemistry, and then we have hydrocarbons. Okay, so we have here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chapters are there from your class 11 portion. Now coming to class 12 syllabus, we have first is solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics. So these 3 are from your physical chemistry. Then D block elements and coordination compounds are from inorganic chemistry. Then we have all organic chapters, that is haloalkanes, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, amines and biomolecules. Okay, so the syllabus is very similar to your PU syllabus. So your 12th board syllabus, whatever topics were there, they are the same here. Okay, next is your physics syllabus. So let us just quickly revise the physics syllabus, whatever is there. So first in the unit 1, that is physical world and measurement, in that your chapter is units and measurement, this one is there. Now coming to the second unit, kinematics, you have their motion in a straight line and motion in a plane. Then in Unit 3, laws of motion, you have the chapter laws of motion. In Unit 4, work, energy and power, you have the chapter work, energy and power. Next, motion of system of particles and rigid body. In this, the chapter is system of particles and rotational motion. So these were the chapters from your 11th syllabus. Now we have gravitation. In gravitation, the chapter is gravitation. Then Unit 7, properties of bulk matter, you have mechanical properties of solids, mechanical properties of fluids, and then thermal properties of matter. Then in Unit 8, that is thermodynamics, you have the chapter thermodynamics. Then in Unit 9, behavior of perfect gases and kinetic theory of gases, you have the chapter kinetic theory. Then in the 10th unit, that is oscillations and wave, you have oscillations and waves chapter, right? Now coming to the 12th syllabus here. So you have your Unit 1, that is electrostatics. In that you have 2 chapters, electric charges and fields, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Now coming to the 2nd unit, current electricity, you have the chapter current electricity. Coming to the 3rd unit, magnetic effects of current and magnetism. Here you have 2 chapters, that is moving charges and magnetism and matter. Then Unit 4, electromagnetic induction and alternating current. Here you have electromagnetic inductions and alternating current. Okay. Now coming to electromagnetic waves, we have electromagnetic waves chapter. In optics, you have ray optics and optical instruments, and you have wave optics here. Then coming to Unit 7, that is dual nature of matter and radiation. Here you have the chapter dual nature of radiation and matter. Then atoms and nuclei. Here you have 2 chapters, atoms and nuclei. Then the last unit, that is electronic devices. Here you have semiconductors, electronics, material, devices and simple circuits. Okay. So these were the 2 years portions for your COMEDK 2024, which includes both PU1 and PU2 syllabus. Okay. So I'll be discussing here one basic strategy, like how you can prepare for your COMEDK 2024 exam in this last 20 days. Okay. So first is you have to prepare a proper study schedule, okay, and allocate time for all the 3 subjects. Like you have to allot 3 slots for like how many hours you want to dedicate for physics, chemistry and maths, right? So this you have to decide based on your strength of preparation. Like if you are very strong in chemistry now, you can give more time to physics and vice versa. You can change it according to your standards, your preparation level. Okay. Next, complete all the high weightage chapters. This is very important. Focus on all the high weightage chapters. Try to finish them. And for finishing the high weightage chapters, revise the concepts. Make short notes of these important concepts. Write down them, and then you can revise it. Then solve some questions from them. So next is very important. You have to practice 3 to 5 years of PYQs. This is important to understand that whatever you are studying, whether such type of questions are being asked in the exam or not, right? So whether your preparation level is on the right track or not. So that is why it is very important that you solve minimum like 3 to 5 years of PYQs. If you have time, you have already done, then I'll recommend you to go for 10 years. Okay. Next, coming to practice 4 to 5 mock tests, you have 20 days left. So easily you can prepare 4 to 5 mock tests you can give. You can analyze the results and you can see where is the scope of improvement, which part you are lagging. Okay. So for that, please attempt mock tests. This is very important. Next, revision multiple times. This is very, very important. Whatever you are studying, you should not forget it till the exam. So every day in your study schedule, keep some dedicated hours for revision. Okay. This is very important. Revision is very important and key for attention in the exam hall. Whatever you have studied, doesn't matter how much you are able to recollect, that is what will count, right? So that is why prepare, revise multiple times the high weightage chapters. Okay. Next is so in this channel, how we are going to help you for COMEDK 2024. So we'll be having a series of COMEDK 2024 preparation videos. So in that, what all things you will be getting is, so this is for, I'll be making your chemistry videos. So I'll be telling you about chemistry. So you'll be getting top 30 questions for all the high weightage topics that are present in your chemistry chapters. Okay. So we have around 19 chapters. Okay. We have around 19 chapters. So I'll be doing the top 30 questions from all of these 19 chapters, which will include your previous year questions and also some questions from the mock test. Okay. So next is I'll be discussing the important trends in inorganic chemistry. So like there will be some shortcuts, some exceptions, there are many things in inorganic chemistry. So I'll make a separate videos on these. Then I'll be also discussing the complete physical chemistry revision, where I'll be telling you the all important formulas and which formulas are most important, from where how many questions have been asked. So that all in a physical chemistry series will be starting, where we'll be discussing that in detail. Next, you'll be getting all the name reactions in organic chemistry, what is the function of reagents. So we'll be having a series in that also. Okay. Next, you have tips and tricks in chemistry. So in all my videos, I'll be telling how easily you can solve the questions. And then last, time management tips. What are the way how this, you have been like with 3 hours, right? And 1 hour, so you can dedicate 1 hour for each subject. Okay. So how exactly you can finish 60 questions in 1 hour? So it is like 60 minutes for 60 questions. That means 1 minute per question. So how to manage time effectively, how to complete the paper. So we'll be guiding you in all these aspects. Okay. So yeah, so that's all for this video. In this, we have discussed a brief about the exam, COMEDK exam, and what is the syllabus, how you should start preparation if you haven't yet, and what help you can get from this channel. Okay, so if you have any other doubts, if you want any other, like apart from this, if you want any other help, please comment it down. We'll definitely make it. So just if you want to boost your preparation, please be with the channel. It will help you, will be helping you with solving problems, numericals, and so many questions. So it will help you to boost your results. So if you have found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.